Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, entertainment gossip. Now guys, Married at First Sight. Hey, this show. So okay, background information yana. Married at First Sight is a show that plays on Showmax. Like it's couples getting married for the first, like on first sight, first sight, but they just get married. So it's such an interesting show. We've seen things there. So guys, guess and on season one, um, we have seen the couples like they have been struggling and all of it. And guess season one, all the couples, ne? All the couples broke up except for Ukumo and Tabang. Kumo and Tabang, they were the youngest couple there, full of life, full of vibe. They liked going out and drinking alcohol and that. So, okay, Kumo and Tabang, their relationship survived, guys. Okay, it's not easy, obvious. We've seen them experiencing challenges and other things, but they are the last couple standing for season one. Married at First Sight season one, Kumo and Tabang are the last couple standing. Like, how did they do it? They need to tell us how did they do it, because it's not easy. It's really not easy. It's not that simple. But guys, they are the last couple standing, and guess what? They welcomed their firstborn together, guys. They are with child now. They have a beautiful baby. They posted on Instagram. Cute little thing there. Congratulations to them, guys. We wish them all the best. It was not easy. They've had their ups and downs, but for the fact that they are the last couple standing, we deserve them on a certain podcast nje, to tell us how did they do it, the challenges that they have been facing, and how did they overcome those challenges. Because sana kuyakhalwa, it's crying. You can even see on season 2, Married at First Sight, people are going through the most with this um first sight marriages. But we wish them all the best. They are finally they are husband and wife. They have their kid. They survived through everything. So at least the show is working, because people have been arguing with the show is not working, the show is just full of games, Jay, because none of the couples survive. But Kumo and Tabang, they proved us all wrong, guys. But it can actually work. We wish them all the best. We are happy for them, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.